back to my channel FunX Creations. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can DIY this mini open sleigh. So for this you will need cardboard, glitter paper, colored paper and some paints. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've taken these cutouts out of a cardboard. These are of same size. And then this is a stripe of glitter paper, red glitter paper. So I'll just take this with one of the cardboard cutouts. After this, as you can see, it's looking something like this. I'll just attach the second part also. So as you can see, it's completed. Now I'll just cover the cardboard which is showing. So for that I've used another cutouts from glitter paper. And now I'll just cover it. Okay, so now I'll just take another golden card paper and I'll just take some cutouts like this. And now I'll just take it to the sleigh on the bottom part. Now on the second side also, I'll just repeat it. So after this, these are the tiny pieces of wire and I'll just attach it on the bottom part of the sleigh like this, 3 on each side, and then I'll just cover that with a cardboard stripe, little golden cardboard stripe. Okay, so once it's done, it will look something like this. Then I'll just put another cardboard piece on the base of the sleigh. On the second side also. So it's looking something like this. Now for the inner seat, I have just taken another golden card paper and I've just covered it. I'll just attach it inside it. So this will be the seat, and then I'll attach it with a hot glue gun in the place. Okay, so the sleigh chair has been ready. Now for the reindeers, I'll just take another cardboard piece and on that I'll just trace a reindeer. You can also use any stickers or printouts. So I'll just paint it. And then I'll just shade it with dark and light shades of the paint. And then a little bit detailings. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is completed. Now for the horns, reindeer horns, I've taken a cardboard pieces and then I've just made some cutouts and then I'll attach it on top of the ears. So the reindeer is ready. As you can see, these are very cute reindeers, and as I said, you can also use some printouts. Then I'll just take this craft wire which is easily bendable and I'll just cover it with golden foil. So as you can see, these two are completed. Now I'll just fold them a little bit and then attach it to the sleigh. On both of the sides. And now I'll just take another golden stripe and I'll just cover it to the reindeers also. just attach the reindeers to the sleigh. And now I'll just take another golden foil, and I'll just put it inside and middle the reindeers. So I've just applied that, and now as you can see it's looking something like this. So now for the gifts, I'll just take another cardboard stripe and then fold it and make some tiny gifts. And then I'll just cover both of the ends with cardboard cutouts. So as you can see, I've made few of them like this. Now I'll just take the thread, pure white thread, and a cotton piece, and then I'll just put that and make a little bit tiny teddy bear. So for that I'll be making a teddy bear out of cotton. So as you can see, it's completed now. Now I'll just paint the teddy and also the little gifts which I've made. Now I'll just put a tiny heart on the teddy and it's completed. As you can see, the teddy. Now I'll just start painting the gift boxes with multicolors. And put some detailing on the gifts also. Now I'll just put a golden stripe and I'll just put it around the gift like this, so that it will look something like a gift wrap. So as you can see, this is the first gift which is completed now. Likewise, I've made so many other also. And now I'll just start sticking them to the sleigh. So first of all, I'll just stick the teddy bear, and then I'll just start sticking the tiny boxes of gifts. So as you can see, the sleigh has been completed. Now for the base, I've taken a cardboard piece and I'll just cover that with a plain white paper, because we have to show a land of snow. And I'll just cover it with plain white paper. So after this, I've taken another cardboard circle and I'll just cut it from the middle like this. This will be the shape. I hope you all can see. And then I'll just fold it and make a cone. And then I'll just stick it. So this is a cone shape and this is a green colored paper. Now I'll just cut it and make some tiny stripes out of it. Now I'll just fold it from the middle and I'll just start cutting it from one part. I'll just make some tiny cuts, as you can see, and then I'll just fold them. So I'll just fold half of the stripe, half will remain the same. Okay guys, so this is really tough to explain, but I hope you can see, and you just have to follow the tutorial. Now I'll just start painting the cone in a darker shade of green. So this will be the base of the Christmas tree. Now I'll just strip that stripe which I've made earlier on the Christmas tree like this. So I'll just go through it till the end, and after this it will look something like this. Now for the other half of the Christmas tree, I've taken this coiling, and now I'll just start painting it in a darker shade of brown, so it will show the tree trunk for the Christmas tree, and then I'll just take the measurement and cut the excess part, and then I'll just stick that with a hot glue gun to the Christmas tree. So likewise I've made 3 of different sizes, and to fit them on the base I've made some holes. So before that I'll just stick the sleigh on the desired place, and then I'll just start sticking the Christmas trees also. Okay, so once it's done, you can see it's looking something like this. Now for the snowy effect, I'll just take some white cotton and I'll just put it in some of the places. So it will give you the desired effect of snow and the snow region. Now for some on the Christmas tree as well. Some on the sleigh also. So now as you can see, it's looking so much snowy, and this is perfect for Christmas. So as you can see, it's very festive and Christmassy. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye.